Looking to build a powerful gaming PC for around $1,200 this September? Stick around because today we're walking through the ultimate mid-range gaming setup that balances power, future-proofing, and great value. Let's jump into the parts that make this build special. The heart of this build is the brand new RTX 5070. With 12GB of super fast GDDR7 memory, this card is built for high performance in today's most demanding titles, especially at 1440p. This dual fan setup keeps things cool and quiet even under load, which is perfect if you're building in a more compact case or value silent operation. Now, compared to its main competition, the RX 7800 XT, the 5070 holds up extremely well in ray tracing and DLSS enhanced titles. You also get support for next-gen features like frame generation, which can really boost your frames per second in supported games. This is one of the components that pushes this build above the average. Check the description for the latest deals and prices. Moving on to the brain of the system, we're using AMD's latest Ryzen 7 processor. With 8 high-performance cores and the new Zen 5 architecture, this chip is incredibly efficient while still offering top-tier gaming and multitasking performance. What makes this CPU special is that it balances raw power with energy efficiency. Whether you're editing video, gaming, or just browsing with 40 tabs open, it handles everything with ease. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest builds. And give us a like if you're finding this helpful. To tie everything together, we're going with a board that supports all the latest standards. The B850 chipset is built for Ryzen 7000 and 9000 series, so compatibility is no issue here. You get fast Wi-Fi 6E, future-proof PCIe Gen 5 support, and room to upgrade with 4 memory slots and multiple M2 slots. It's the perfect balance between performance, features, and affordability. Memory is where you want speed and capacity, and this kit delivers both. With 32 gigs of fast GDDR5, your system will fly through gaming, streaming, and creative tasks. It's also great for future-proofing as more games are starting to use extra RAM. This setup gives you a perfect mix of performance and stability. For storage, we're going with a reliable and speedy 1TB NVMe drive from Kingston. It boosts your system quickly and loads games in seconds, giving you the responsiveness you need for a smooth gaming experience. While it's not the fastest drive on the market, it's more than capable for day-to-day gaming and productivity. Keeping our processor cool is the ID Cooling Dual Fan Air Cooler. It's quiet, it's efficient, and it's designed to handle the thermal load of high-performance CPUs like the 9700X. It also fits nicely into most mid-tower cases, which makes installation much easier, especially for first-time builders. Powering this rig is a rock-solid 850-watt PSU from MSI. It's fully modular, so cable management is a breeze, and with the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 support, you're set for current and future GPU generations. Plus, the 80+ gold rating means better efficiency and less heat, which can help with long-term system stability. Wrapping it all up is a stylish case from GAMDIAS. It's got plenty of airflow, space for full-size GPUs, and a tempered glass side panel so you can show off your build. There's also built-in RGB up front, giving your setup that gamer look without going overboard. And that's our complete $1,200 mid-range gaming PC build for September 2025. It's packed with power, built for 1440p gaming, and ready to handle the latest titles with ease. Check the links in the description for current pricing and availability on all the components we covered today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more PC builds just like this. See you in the next one.